Welcome to my 15-minute health maxing morning coffee routine. All right, first we're gonna fill up our electric kettle with water and flick the switch to boil. Blue means it's on and heating up. All right, next, let's grab our Chemex pour over glass coffee maker. Pour over coffee is one of the healthiest ways to make coffee. Now let's put our unbleached coffee filters on top. All right, now let's grab our coffee, the most important part. So I drink Danger Coffee. Danger Coffee is extremely high quality, mold-free, lab-tested coffee beans with humic and fulvic that remineralizes your body with more than 50 trace minerals and electrolytes, leaving you feeling energized, engaged, and in the zone. So fulvic specifically aids nutrient absorption, supports immune health, and sustains energy levels, where humic specifically improves hydration, gut health, and detoxification, and assists in cell renewal. Looks like our water is boiled. So I pour around the perimeter once and let it sit for 30 seconds. Waiting 30 seconds after the initial pour allows carbon dioxide trapped in the freshly roasted coffee grounds to escape, which otherwise creates an uneven, sour, or acidic brew. Roasted coffee holds trapped carbon dioxide, so when hot water hits the grounds, this gas escapes, causing the coffee to bubble and expand, as you can see. Drip, 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 drip. Okay, she's filled up. Now let's grab our blender. Why a blender, you may ask? Well, as you'll see here in a few moments, I put butter and brain octane oil in my coffee. But you want to blend these together because blending butter in your coffee assists your body in using fat as an energy source. If you peel back the wrapper on a stick of butter and eat it like a Snickers bar alongside a cup of coffee, the results are not the same. So blending butter breaks butter into micelles. This allows for easier digestion and immediate utilization for fat for energy. Eating solid butter leaves the body to process large fat particles on its own, which is less efficient. Wow, that got sweaty. All right, let's grab a mug. I pour 1/4 of the coffee in a mug and then 3/4 in the blender. All right, now let's grab our creatine. Add 1 scoop. Next, let's grab our collagen so we get all of our 9 essential amino acids and 2 scoops of that. Next up is brain octane oil. So brain octane oil is a liquid coconut oil extract. It's a stronger form of coconut oil with more C8, which is the most beneficial of the medium chain triglycerides, which produces 4 times the amount of ketones that regular coconut oil does. This will help you stay in a mild ketosis. 2 tablespoons of that. Let's grab the butter. 1 to 2 tablespoons. Let's blend this together. And here we have finished making our delicious, creamy cup of coffee. Let's take our first sip together. Oh, yeah. All right, after my coffee, I take a shot of honey. This is because creatine absorbs better with a source of carbs, and taking honey with brain octane oil can keep you in a state of mild ketosis because the high octane fat forces ketone production so rapidly that it can offset the low to moderate carbohydrate impact of a small amount of honey.